Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple way to reset your Kenmore refrigerator, especially if it's acting up or showing minor glitches. Unlike some other models, Kenmore fridges don't have a dedicated reset button. But don't worry, there's an easy method to get it back to normal using a power cycle. Unplug your refrigerator completely from the wall outlet. This is the simplest way to clear any temporary glitches stored in the control board's memory. Once it's unplugged, leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes. This gives the residual power a chance to drain and allows the control board to fully reset. After the wait, plug the fridge back in and leave it for another 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, it will reboot and get everything running fresh. This basic power cycle solves many common issues without the need for professional help. If your model has a digital display, there are a few extra things you can check. Look for buttons labeled power, reset, or options. If you see a reset button, press and hold it for 3 to 5 seconds and your fridge should start the reset process. If there's an options menu, you can also navigate to power or reset and follow the prompts. Keep an eye on the display. It may flash or restart, which is normal during this process. Once the fridge has reset, it's important to do a quick post-reset check. Make sure your door seals are clean and fully intact to keep cold air in. Ensure that the vents inside the fridge aren't blocked and check that the condenser coils are clean for efficient cooling. Finally, verify your temperature settings. Your fridge should be at 37 degrees Fahrenheit and your freezer at 0 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're unsure, consult your owner's manual to confirm the correct settings. If you're still having issues after this process, you may need to inspect the control board or contact Kenmore support for professional help. And that's it. You can reset your Kenmore refrigerator and get it running smoothly again. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more appliance tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy Kenmore using.